Hello folks, down here in the lower 40 with the goats. Went yesterday and had x-rays made, and I go tomorrow for the surgeon to look at the x-rays to see if he likes how my x-rays look. I'll try to throw a picture of the x-rays in. But I just walked down here to look and see what's going on. Goats have really did a good job cleaning this up down here. Of course, I knew they would. I had no fear of that. They've respected the electric fence. Of course, I don't turn them in here every day, and I don't leave them in overnight. But this undergrowth up through here, I mean, this is typical results that you would get with goats in undergrowth. I mean, they have really worked on it. Opened her up real good. May have even killed some of that privet there, but you know, my bees use that and make some honey off of. But yeah, see, that's underbrush with goats and without goats. Yeah, without. Now, as soon as I get back on my feet, I'm gonna move that fence down there and go all the way out the property line. Catch all this. And I just didn't have time. And plus, my neighbor back there was doing some work on his fence, and so he's got his up now, and I can just run my old electric wire up through there and have all this patrolled by the eating crew. So that's where we're at right at the moment. Here's a shot of the area where I fed a lot of hay this past winter. And now, this is not all grass. There's a lot of weeds and stuff in here, but there is a lot of grass that wasn't here. And on top of that, all this old hay is still decomposing and adding much needed nutrients to my little area down here. This was the worst area in my pasture right down here. So this fall, we'll be able to see there's some good grass. And with that extra area down there, no one portion of my pasture is getting overgrazed. I mean, I ain't got 9 goats, but even still, there's no one portion getting overgrazed. And so everything's having a chance to establish root systems and stuff like that. And I know this right here kind of looks trashy, but this was a wash I had. That last goat that died, I had to bury her right there. And so this just never did recover. But look at it now. We got grass, weeds, grass, weeds, and these pieces of trash was put in here to keep the water from rushing around it so much. And of course, right up here is the beehive. My buddy Tommy has just been excellent to come help me. Well, not help me, he's done it. I mean, I've come out here and watched him, but he's come over here and taken care of my bees. We split that hive last week. We moved the queen over here with resources and left that hive there. So there's a deep and 1, 2, 3, 4 supers. And they have been hauling the nectar in. So they're doing real good. And then of course up here I fed hay as well. Matter of fact, right here is where the last portions of the last time I used the feeders. And I had my son come over the other Saturday and he drug them up there. But this right here, a lot of hay is put out in here. So got high hopes for this little area as well. And maybe this fall I'll get the lime down that I didn't get down last fall. So anyhow, and of course these bees up here, I had one hive that survived up here, and this has all been mentioned before on another video, but since I'm out here walking around getting some exercise and making videos, I'll just come on up here. But that was my strongest hive coming out of winter right there. And so we split it early. Tommy split it early, and they're loading up those supers, and we've already added 2 to this box. So it's a looking good. Real happy with how the bee yard's looking with my buddy Tommy taking care of it. Like I said, I just can't thank him enough. So anyhow, well, that's about it for this little jaunt. I'm up to an hour and a half of walking every day. And if my doctor releases me tomorrow, I will start physical therapy and work next week. If. I hope. I mean, I still got some pain, but it's not, I think my fusion is going well. So I think the pains that I'm having is just what happens when you have a 3-level fusion at 58 years old in your neck. All right, well, I'm gonna wrap this stuff up. So you got Jeff Eubanks. I'm up here in the bee yard with my new hat. Got that at Lowe's last week. $23. I like it. If I can get back to mowing grass and bush hogging, this hat is gonna be very, very beneficial.